Today we are going to read about tissue. So, before studying tissue we will understand that how an organism is made. Every organism start their life as a single cell, zygote, the cells form tissue forms organ, organs together form organ system, and that's how an organism made. Tissues are of two type: animal and plant. Plant tissue are of two type: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue is a group of young living cells. It helps in division of cell or forming new cells. Meristematic tissue are of three type: first apical meristem, second lateral meristem, and last intercalary meristem. Permanent tissue are made up of cells that don't divide and are permanent. They perform specific function. They are of two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Apical tissue. They are found at the tip of plant. They are responsible for the upward growth of the plant. They increase the length of the plant. Lateral tissue. Lateral meristems are found on the sides of stems and roots, contributing to the secondary growth of plants, particularly in woody plants. They are responsible for increasing the plant's diameter. Intercalary tissue. Intercalary meristem is found at the base of leaves and at the nodes and internodes of stems. Function. It allows for the elongation of stems and leaves, particularly in monocots like grasses. Simple permanent tissue. Parenchyma. The most common type of simple permanent tissue, responsible for storage, photosynthesis, and other metabolic activities. Parenchyma. Description: living cells with thick cell walls, often elongated. Function: provides flexible support, particularly in young plant parts. Examples: under the epidermis in stems and petioles. Sclerenchyma. Description: dead cells with thick, lignified cell walls, providing rigidity and support. Function: provides mechanical support, especially in older plant parts. Examples: scleriids in fruits and nuts, fibers in stems and roots. Complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissues are made up of two or more types of cells that work together to perform specific functions in a plant. Protective permanent tissue. Epidermis. The outer layer of cells in young stems and roots, often covered with a waxy cuticle to prevent water loss. Supportive complex permanent tissue. Xylem. Tracheids and vessels. These elongated cells form a continuous water-conducting pathway, providing support due to their rigid cell walls. Xylem parenchyma. These living cells store food and assist in radial conduction of water and minerals. Xylem fibers. These dead, lignified cells provide mechanical support. Phloem. Sieve tubes. These are elongated, living cells with sieve plates, facilitating the transport of sugars. Companion cells. These living cells support sieve tubes, providing metabolic support and regulating water flow. Phloem parenchyma. These living cells store food and help with lateral conduction. Phloem fibers. These dead, lignified cells provide mechanical support. This is part 1. Thank you.